Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to fix Discord installation has failed. So if you're trying to install Discord on your computer and you're facing any kind of error, follow these simple steps to easily fix installation has failed error. The first solution is we have to close Discord completely before running the installation process. So click on the show hidden icons, and if you see Discord running here, all you have to need just right click on Discord icon. You have to exit Discord, and now click on the search icon and type here task and open task manager, and here select processes. And also if you see Discord running here, all you have to need just select Discord and click on end task, and it will completely remove Discord from your computer. Once done, go ahead and try to reinstall the Discord and check the error. The second solution is we have to delete existing Discord files and folder from our computer. And here's how to do it. Click on the search icon and type here %appdata % and open this app data folder. And here you will find your roaming folder. In this folder you will find Discord. Select Discord and delete the folder. Once you've deleted Discord from here, now select app data folder, and here open local folder, and here scroll down and search for Discord. Select Discord, and also you have to delete Discord from here. Once you've completely removed all of Discord files and folder from your computer, and now we will download Discord installer. So go to a browser and search here Discord download and search for it. Open the first link, and all you have to need just download the Discord installer. Now from your computer download folder, open Discord setup.exe file. Click on run. And as you can see, my Discord is installing without any error. So follow these every steps very carefully and you'll be able to install Discord without any error. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.